Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to get started or sign up for the Valora Wallet application using your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded this application that says Valora from your Google Play Store, or if you're using iOS, make sure you get it from your App Store. Once you've downloaded the app, tap on it to launch it open. And then, from the home page of Valora, tap on Create New Wallet. Choose a 6-digit PIN and enter it right here on the screen in order to secure your wallet, and re-enter your PIN once again. Turn on biometric or fingerprint recognition so that it makes it easier and quicker to connect to your wallets, to dApps and sign-in transactions. You can also skip this step for now and do it later, and on the next page, you will need to now create a login. You can choose sign in with Google, sign in with Apple, or sign in another way option. Choose any one option. I've chosen sign in another way, and it is now going to show me my recovery phrase to create a wallet. Click the continue button and make sure to go through the information, and you will then be able to see your recovery phrases displayed on the screen. Write down your recovery phrase on a piece of paper, or you can also tap on copy to clipboard at the bottom and paste in your recovery phrases in a secure or a private folder. I'm just gonna copy it and write it down on my notepad. After you are sure you have wrote it down in a secure area, tap on I've saved it. Now you can explore earning opportunities, build your profile, and add funds to your wallet. You can also explore later by tapping on I'll explore later, and there you have successfully created a new account. Now that your account is set up and backed up, you can start sending, receiving, and managing funds in the Valora wallet. So that is how you easily sign up for Valora. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.